So you get the dreaded email. Can I have my money back? Oh my gosh. It's terrible, and you work so hard to come up with your program, with your content, but sometimes people ask for a refund or to cancel their program, and let's be real, you really can't please everyone. Hi, I'm Miri Lenov, email copywriter, and I'm here to tell you that this is also very good news. This is an opportunity to learn and to connect with them. There are a million reasons why someone might want to cancel their program. The truth is that you really don't know what is that main reason, but you can look at it this way. They know you, so they are more than just a lead, and they have bought from you before. So they have become customers, they are clients. And it's easier to convert a returning customer rather than a new lead. Even if they've canceled your program, they can give you information that you can use to improve your products or services or your customer service. You can leave on good terms and still make a good impression so that they can come back. You don't know where to start? Look, you can set up an email automation that goes out immediately after someone cancels your program with a simple 3 to 5 emails. If you want more, you can. But it's something like this. Email 1. You tell them that you're thanking them for being part of their family and that you're sorry to see them go. But to please give you advice so that you can improve. Here are some ideas that I think are important that you can include on a Google form or any type of email that you want to write to them. And you can say, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being amazing and 1 needs improvements, how do you feel about the program? You can say, what was the primary reason why you decided to cancel? Give them some options that are your biggest objections, or something like, I didn't have enough time to go through the program, I can't keep paying for this is not for me, I enrolled in somewhere else, the product I don't need anymore, or any other type of objection that would really be in sync to what you're offering. You can say question number 3, what is something that you enjoyed while going through the program? Because let's face it, there are positives and there are negatives to everything. And number 4, what is something that you feel needs to be improved? Okay. Then you analyze and you implement, all right? Here's email number 2 that you can use. You want to resend it with more urgency so that they really get back to you and they answer the questions, okay? Email 3 is, thank you again for an open invitation to come back. Your advice is very appreciated. If you ever want to come back, please remember that we will welcome you back with open arms. As you know, we have some amazing trainings, amazing products, including the XYZ, and you want to give them something that they're going to connect with. But we understand that, life got in the way. We just hope to see you again soon. So again, you're reinforcing the fact that you're there for them, okay? Email 4 and 5, if necessary, you want to make everything about them, but you're still able to get feedback and open up the conversation so they come back. You can also offer a goodbye gift that they can keep with maybe a coupon code to come back, free training, a free product, something that you want to send them. And you really don't know, because people might come back if they feel valued. So there you have it, a way to keep customers happy even if they're not able to continue or if they are refunding something for you or canceling the program. If you need help crafting the emails, let me know and I'll be happy to help. Again, my name is Miri Lenov, email copywriter, and it's been a pleasure. Hope to see you next time on one of my videos. And if you need anything on email copywriting or email marketing, let me know. Have a great day and see you next time.